Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the GRACO Transitions 3-in-1 Harness Booster Seat. It's received 4.7 out of 5 stars. It's an Amazon choice item and over 10,000 have been purchased on Amazon in the past month alone. Introducing the perfect blend of safety, comfort, and versatility for your growing child. Designed to adapt through every stage, this seat effortlessly transitions from a 5-point harness for 22 to 65 pounds, a high back booster, 40 to 100 pounds, and finally a backless booster, 40 to 100 pounds. Built with GRACO's renowned safety standards, it features side impact protection and an easy adjust harness system for a secure fit in seconds. Lightweight and slim, it's ideal for busy families on the go, fitting easily into any car while providing ultimate comfort with its plush padding. Whether you're running errands or embarking on a road trip, the GRACO Transitions keeps your little one safe and supported. Now, let's talk about some of these images. When I read the reviews, I was actually rendered speechless. A lot of the reviews on Amazon included photos from accident scenes. And I just wanted to say that all of the photos that I'm showing, these people rated this car seat with 5 stars. A good booster seat is crucial for a child's safety during a car accident. Booster seats are designed to elevate children, ensuring that seat belts fit properly across their chest and lap, rather than on their neck or abdomen, which can cause serious injuries. By positioning the seat belt correctly, a booster seat significantly reduces the risk of head, neck, and spinal injuries. Properly secured children in booster seats are less likely to be ejected from the vehicle in a crash, making them far safer than they were just using a car seat belt. Ensuring a child is in the right booster seat for their age and their size can be life-saving in the event of an accident. So just wanted to share these photos with you because if you're thinking about buying this seat, it's probably because you're concerned about the safety and well-being of your child or the child of someone you love. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.